So students, we are here on the types of angles, which is related to the exercise 5.2, understanding elementary shape. In this exercise, we have to discuss about the angles. If you must be knowing, in a previous class, I have recorded that types of angles and how we can form it. So first of all, I want to tell you, any angle which you draw, it cannot be possible without two rays. Okay, when you have two rays joined together, then only the angles are formed. You can also call it when you have two edges, when they join together, you form an angle. Same example, if you talk about when you have two rays joined together, you form an angle. This is the angle which you can say here, and this is the vertex of angle. Remember, in one angle, we have only one vertex. We have two arms in one angle. These are arms. This is the arm, and also this is the arm. These are two arms of an angle. Now, as you all know, when you have something weight, like for example, you have tomato, potato, you have potato, tomato, rice, pulses, you measure it with the help of kilogram or gram or milligram. Fine. Same way, if you have any liquid material, you measure it with the help of liter, milliliter, kiloliter, like that. In the same way, if you have a distance, you measure it by kilometer, meter, centimeter, like that, as per the how much distance you have. The same way, beta, when you have to measure an angle, you measure it with the help of protractor, and the unit of measuring the angle is degree. DEGREE. DEGREE, degree. Okay. So when you measure the angle, you have the unit degree. And remember, degree is like, when you put degree, it will be always like this. Small zero, very small zero. Okay. Now, one more thing. Angles are always from 0 to 360 degree. Okay, the angle comes between 0 to 360. It means angle can be of 0 degree, 1 degree, 2 degree, 3 degree, 4 degree, 5 degree. The maximum angle you can draw is 360 degree. 360 degree is complete angle. We call it, if any angle having the measurement 360 degree is called complete angle. The angle which is equal to 0 degree is called zero angle. Okay, right now I'm introducing two angle. One angle is 0 degree angle, that we call it zero angle. Another angle which is equal to 360 degree, this is called complete angle. Why we call it complete? Because 360 के बाद कोई और angle नहीं होता बेटा. 360 के बाद कोई और angle नहीं होता. 360 degree is the complete angle. Okay. Now let's understand one by one all the angles which we have just now discussed in the video also. प्लीज कीप इन योर माइंड बेटा, एंगल्स जब हम ड्रॉ करते हैं तो उसमें वन रे विल बी ऑलवेज फिक्स्ड. वन रे विल बी ऑलवेज फिक्स्ड, दैट इज कॉल्ड द बेस रे. उसको हम बोलते हैं बेस रे. एंड द अनदर वन विल बी रोटेटिंग. सो लाइक look at here now, this is the base ray, this is fixed. Now the another ray which you are having will always be rotating. It can be rotating from any of the side. It can rotate from like this, or also it can rotate like this. ठीक है, you can have it as per your angle will look like. जिस तरफ वो दिख रहा है आपको, उस तरीके से आप एंगल फॉर्म कर सकते हो. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, एंगल कैन बी लाइक दिस, एंगल कैन बी लाइक दिस ऑल्सो. तो अगर आप इधर लेते हो तो ये वाली ऐसे रोटेट होगी, यहाँ से लेते हैं तो आप इधर से रोटेट होगी. So let's study one by one. Now suppose you have both the rays and your rays have not started opening. ठीक है, आपकी रे ने अभी खुलना शुरू नहीं किया. It's just at one on another one. ठीक है, and it has not started opening. That means you are talking about a 0 degree angle. It means it is not open only. ठीक है, एक भी open नहीं हुआ है. That means angle between both the rays are 0. 0 means 0 degree angle. Now 0 degree के बाद क्या होता है बेटा? Now again you have this ray is fixed. This is 0 angle. Now the second one, your ray is fixed again, and now your second ray has started opening. ठीक है, इसने ओपन होना शुरू किया. Now this is now some degree, it can be 10 degree, 20 degree, 30, 40, 15, 20, 65, 35. So it can be also like that, or maybe it can be like this, or maybe it can be like this. So these all are acute angle. Acute angle means when you talk about angle which is more than 0 and less than 90. Okay, more than 0 and less than 90, we call it acute angle. ACUTE. ACUTE. This is called acute angle. Okay. Now after acute, again your ray has started opening again. Now this is the fixed ray, and open होने के बाद बेटा now your second ray position is like this, exactly like the shape of L. Then it means you have angle between both the rays is 90 degree. Okay, 90 degree means you are talking about it is a right angle. Okay, now right angle is also done. Now again the ray will not stop. ray तो rotate करते जा रही है. तो अगर आपकी जो ray है, now it will again start opening in this way. It will cross 90. ठीक है, ये वाला 90 की पोजीशन होती है बेटा. This is the 91. So 90 की लाइन को अगर क्रॉस कर दे, it means 90 से greater. So that means your angle is now greater than 90 and greater than 90 and less than 180. So when you talk about greater than 90, less than 180, it means you are talking about obtuse. OBTUSE. Obtuse angle. So now we have studied zero angle, we have studied acute angle, right angle, obtuse angle. Fine. Now let's move on to straight angle. मतलब ये वाली जो आपकी रे थी वो अभी और ओपन हुई, और ओपन होने के बाद बेटा now it has started moving on to the next direction, and now ऐसी कंडीशन आई कि ये जो आपकी रे है वो एकदम स्ट्रेट हो गई ओपन होने के बाद. और स्ट्रेट कैसी हो गई? तो जब स्ट्रेट हुई तो आपके पास जो एंगल था वो बन गया 180 डिग्री. नाउ रिमेंबर योर प्रोटेक्टर आल्सो हैव 180 डिग्री एंगल ओनली. ठीक है, एकदम स्ट्रेट लाइन. So that is why we call it straight angle, because we have exactly straight line. We call the name straight angle. STRAIGHT, straight angle. This is the vertex here. 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 Please dark the position of vertex so that you can understand कि कहाँ से rotate हो रहा है. Now we have last two angles which are reflex and complete. Now look at here reflex angle. It means अगर 180 को भी क्रॉस कर दे, बट आप सोच रहे होंगे कि मैम लेकिन प्रोटेक्टर में तो केवल 180 तक होता है, तो 180 से बड़ा कैसे बनाएंगे हम? Yes बेटा, we can make it, but I will be telling you how to measure reflex angle with the help of protector afterwards, not in this class. So remember, reflex angles are always greater than 180 and less than 360. For example, like this. Now you must be thinking, ma'am, ये तो acute हो गया. No बेटा, it is not acute. आपको इधर से देखना है. Look at here. So larger the angle is. This is reflex angle. Reflex angle means when you have the measurement greater than 90, greater than 180, sorry, and less than 360, then you have reflex angle. Once again telling you, reflex angle means the value should be always greater than 180 and less than 360. So this is called reflex angle. बेटा आप जो भी एंगल्स मैचस्टिक के थ्रू एक्टिविटी में बनाएंगे, उसमें आप प्लीज मैचस्टिक ऐड करने के बाद आप यहाँ पर विद द हेल्प ऑफ स्केच पेन डार्क जरूर करिएगा. लाइक आई एम डूइंग इट. दिस वन, ये आप स्केच पेन की तरफ से डार्क कर दीजिएगा. दिस इज, नाउ लुक एट हियर, दिस वन, Now this one, okay, look at here. This is reflex now. Now last but not the least, complete angle. कंप्लीट करने के बाद मतलब ये कि आप कितना भी घूमो फिरो बाहर जाओ, लास्ट में क्या होता है, आप सब कुछ करने के बाद दोबारा अपने घर में लौट आते हो. इट मीन्स यू हैव कंप्लीटेड एवरीथिंग एंड कंप्लीट होने के बाद हमेशा आप लौट कर अपनी जगह पर आ गए. इसको बोलेंगे आप कंप्लीट करना, है ना. तो सेम थिंग बेटा, ये जो सेकंड वाली जो रे होती है विच वॉज रोटेटिंग, हर जगह रोटेट होने के बाद, पूरा एक कंप्लीट रोटेशन करने के बाद दोबारा अपने घर वापस आ जाती है. दोबारा अपने घर वापस मतलब उसने जहां से शुरू किया था वहीं पर वापस आ जाती है. दैट इज कॉल्ड कंप्लीट एंगल. नाउ आई एम शोइंग यू हाउ द कंप्लीट एंगल विल लुक लाइक. नाउ सी दिस वाज द बिगिनिंग लाइन, बेस लाइन. नाउ इस बेस लाइन के बाद आपकी जो सेकंड वाली रे थी उसने यहाँ से रोटेट करना चालू किया था, यहाँ से रोटेट करते 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 और वो अब दोबारा यही आ गई. और यहाँ आने के बाद आप इसके ऊपर एक और रे बना देंगे. ठीक है. नाउ बोथ द रेज आर एट वन प्लेस ओनली. सो दिस इज ऑल अबाउट कंप्लीट एंगल. Complete angle. Now you must be thinking, ma'am, what is the difference between zero and complete? Because both are looking exactly same. But if you will find there is a difference. Difference of this circle. This zero angle was not open at all. ये open ही नहीं हुआ था. और ये वाला जो है पूरा complete करके close हुआ है ना. तो ये इसमें circle बना रहता है, इसमें नहीं बना रहता बेटा. Because this is the zero angle which is not open only. And this is the complete angle which has opened and now closed again. It means पूरा complete circle करके it has come to its own position, that is complete angle. So now students, I have covered all the angles: zero angle, acute angle, right angle, obtuse angle, straight angle, reflex angle, complete angle. Always learn their names one by one. सबसे पहले होता है zero, फिर होता है acute, फिर होता है राइट, फिर होता है ऑब्ट्यूज, उसके बाद होता है रिफ्लेक्स, फिर होता है, सॉरी आई हैव मिस्ड इट, जीरो एंगल, एक्यूट एंगल, राइट एंगल, ऑब्ट्यूज एंगल, देन स्ट्रेट एंगल, एंड स्ट्रेट के बाद रिफ्लेक्स, एंड देन एट द लास्ट कंप्लीट एंगल. सो थैंक यू वेरी मच एवरीवन फॉर लिसनिंग. नाउ